So, it's time to cue the thematic Jaws music here. We're taking a look at the Seiko's Jaws 50th anniversary. And check it out, just like the movie poster, we got Jaws right there. And there's a lot of branding on this box, especially for a Seiko. Seiko usually doesn't brand this much. Jaws 50th anniversary. And then on the other side, you're going to need a bigger boat. The famous line from the movie that's celebrating its 50th anniversary this year, 1975. Jaws came out. And here, let's take a look at the watch. Again, the branding on this is phenomenal. You can see the swimmer there, peacefully swimming, and the shark, the hidden threat below. And here's a look at the watch. It's got a beautiful dial. There's a shark on there. I'm going to try to move it around throughout the video so we can see it. But just like this pillow here, the shark is hidden from plain sight. She doesn't know the trouble she can get into. Same thing like the watch. They designed the shark to be kind of hidden on the dial, not like it pops up right at you. And here we go. The watch dial is inspired by the movie poster and the movie, of course, and that idea of the shark being hidden, and it's not like in your face on the dial, so you can kind of see it hiding there in the surf. I'll move it over here a little bit. You can see its jaws opening. It's tilting, coming at you a little bit more towards the 9 o'clock here. But we'll keep doing it. It's hard to catch, especially on video. It's a little easier to see it in real life than on video. But that blue to light bluish white on top, the gradient on this one is just kind of a killer watch. You got the silicone strap, matches the blue ceramic insert. And here you've got the ship, the Orca, with a couple frigate birds, it looks like there, and then you can see the menacing shark fin there. So again, they kind of went nuts with this watch. The detailing is all over. You can see the shark a little bit better here, but this is just awesome watch. It was kind of a surprise for us here. Seiko, tells us what's coming out, basic ideas. But this Jaws one, right in time for the 50th anniversary, to me is a home run. I mean, it's really cool. I'm glad they did it on the King Turtle instead of doing it, on a Willard or something that's, a little bit pricier. This is a watch celebrating, blockbuster movie. And I think the Turtle, one of the most iconic watches in the Seiko line, is the perfect watch to go with it. The monster might have been cool because of the shark tooth type of markers on the dial. That'd be another neat one. But I think they wanted to go with, classic kind of retro vibe, just, something that kind of gives you that 70s feel, just like the Jaws movie does. And so this is a King Turtle. Seiko upgraded their normal turtles. Now you got a sapphire crystal and the ceramic insert there. The ceramic insert, that dark blue, matches, the blue silicone band. I've got a lot of Seiko turtles to begin with, and I told myself I was kind of done with Seiko turtles. You can only have so many, I guess, but this one is just really cool looking, and I love the movie Jaws. It's, like I said, the first real summer blockbuster type of movie. Steven Spielberg directing, 50th anniversary this year. I haven't seen it yet again this year, but I'm planning to see it sometime this summer. And I just think it's cool. I'm glad Seiko did this collab, and it's a limited edition. 5,000 watches worldwide, and it's not available everywhere. It's available here in the U.S., Japan, a couple of the markets. not all of the markets, but yeah, it's 5,000 worldwide. And here you can see it. The turtle has a really big wrist presence. You can see here on my wrist. My wrist is about a 7.5-inch wrist, and you're looking at it. It is a chunkier watch, and I think for Jaws is a big shark, so I think it kind of fits in nicely. You can see there, and if you really think about it, it doesn't feel like a 45 millimeter, but the King Seiko is 45 millimeter. It's basically 45 millimeter by 47.7 millimeter, and the thickness is 13.2 millimeter. So it is a larger watch, but you need a larger watch when you're covering Jaws. Like we need a bigger boat. Same kind of idea there, and here you can see that side profile with that thickness I was telling you about, the 13. And here we could see it in the dark. Beautiful lume as always with Seiko and turtles. So yep, the Seiko Jaws collab. Great watch, really cool. It's going to probably be hard to get one if you don't get one now in this first month or two. I know everybody's going to start asking me probably in September, October, but they might all be gone by then. It seems like a watch that's going to be really hot. It's based on a great classic movie. Perfect. All right, thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.